Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by typing the amount into the iPhone calculator. That's the only input you need now. Make sure you have the current exchange rate as a decimal like 1:12. You'll multiply by it. Once done, you're preparing to perform a single precise arithmetic step rather than switching apps. This keeps rounding consistent and avoids clipboard errors. Now pause, confirm the digits on screen match the amount, and the rate is copied or memorized before proceeding. You press the multiply key, enter the decimal exchange rate, and then hit equals to get the converted value. This is the core action. If the rate was given as a percent, convert it first by multiplying by 0.01 so the math stays correct. Make sure to verify decimal placement, move the decimal if the rate had trailing zeros or implied scaling. Once you see the result, note that the built-in calculator uses standard floating arithmetic, so very large values may need manual rounding. You finalize by rounding the displayed number to the desired precision and reading it as the converted currency. If the number looks wrong, clear the calculator and re-enter both the amount and the rate slowly. Mistyped digits are the most common error. Make sure no lingering operator was left active. If you do conversions often, save the rate in notes or copy it to clipboard. Once you paste it, multiply again to repeat reliably. This single method approach keeps it simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.